Now, if you're having problems using AFK Journey here, it's not working, it's crashing, or it keeps stopping, well, there are a few things that you could try doing. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you're using the latest version of the game. So, in this case, you want to open up Google Play Store here. If you're using another device, look for AFK Journey, and if you see any update button, go and just click on Update and just wait for a while. Now, once the update is complete, go and open up the game and see if that solves your issue. Now, if this doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to clear the cache or the temporary files that is stored in the game. Sometimes temporary files can cause the crashes, or it can make the apps not work properly. So to do that, you want to open up your settings, and under settings, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for apps, open it up, and under apps, you want to look for AFK Journey. Now, you can go and manually search for them once the apps appear in here, but you could also choose the search apps at the very top here. Just type in AFK Journey, open it up, click on Clear Data at the bottom right of your screen, click on Clear Cache, and OK. Now, once you've cleared your cache here, you can go ahead and just basically exit this page, open up AFK Journey, and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of this actually worked, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is to basically uninstall and reinstall the app. So in this case, you want to go open up Google Play Store here, open up the app, click on uninstall, and once you have this uninstalled, click on install again, wait for a while, and see if that solves the issue. Now, additional thing that you could try doing here is to restart your phone. Sometimes apps may not work properly because your phone was not or has not been resetted. So sometimes you need to restart your phone every once in a while, like every week if you can. So yeah, go and restart your phone and see if that helps. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.